Oh yeah. Okay, so what have we here? I've been waiting for this for over a year, and I finally made it happen with a machine that was not priced because of inflation. It was actually fairly priced and it was affordable. It's awesome. International Harvester right here, and it is a 300 utility, looks like. Yeah, so it's 1984. Got the backhoe attachment, got the loader attachment, and it's awesome. I can now actually go grade for the foundation for a house and a barn, and I'm telling you, it's made my day when this came up on the market. It was perfect, and I can't wait to try it out, because this thing is gonna save my back, and I'm not gonna have to put any more wear and tear on my back that is not in great shape. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed the chickens with it. I don't have to lift any of these buckets or these trash cans anymore. I'm just gonna dump it right in the bucket, and I'm gonna dump it over the fence. So let's give that a shot. This is gonna be so nice. No more lifting 100-pound trash cans. Right. Beautiful. All right, let's go feed these hungry birds. Told you, this day is gonna make my day. It's gonna be awesome. Where's a good spot to put you guys? I'm gonna have to make something. Let's see. Make your day. That makes my day. Look at all those hungry birds in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have so much fun with this thing. Oh, I'm gonna go move some dirt now. Kind of loud. I think it needs a new muffler. Hey, what's that thing doing upside down? Told you, one of the happiest days of my life. Beautiful. Now I can dig the foundation for that barn. Fantastic. Sweet corn's almost ready. It's looking pretty good. Well, some of it's looking pretty good. There's some patches in there that didn't look like they were doing so well, but not too bad. All right, let me show you what we're looking at here. Okay, I got a lot of tree stumps, tree roots, dirt, concrete chunks, and things like that down here. So On southern part of my property, there's a lot of state land, and there's just a maze of trail systems back there for ATVs, snowmobiles, and things like that. And it's kind of interconnected through my property, and I don't mind if they go run down right next to the fence line. It doesn't bother me a bit, but I caught a few regular street cars coming through here, and I don't need any of that nonsense. So what I'm doing here, trail system is back there, and I'm building a bit of a wall on my southern border here, where I got a space here that's just big enough for a quad or a snowmobile to get through. So that's why I brought all this riprap down here. And I'm just going to push it up and kind of make it to where things that won't tear up my property or get stuck because they're not designed to be four-wheeling can't get through. So I'm just going to push all this stuff up in here and make it nice and nice, look good, or at least halfway decent. I hauled all this with a dump trailer from another property I was working on. So let's see how well this thing does pushing some dirt and moving some stumps. Can't smell it, but you can hear the popping a little bit. This thing is running super rich, so I'm gonna have to deal with that here in a couple days. And the muffler, for some reason, is directly underneath my seat, and this is an open cab, so yeah, smells wonderful. So this is an International Harvester. I've got two of them already. I got two farm-alls, so I am familiar with the transmission, the gear case, and all that stuff. So it shouldn't be too hard to get the clutch adjusted and get it back into at least halfway into spec. But otherwise, I'm pretty stoked. And now I'm gonna go dig a hole with a backhoe. Why? Because I can. Okay, we're here at my well. The dog is right on top of it. Come on, Frankie, come on, scoot, scoot, scoot. So I put this hydrant in last year, probably about 14, 15 months ago. And it's a freezeless, get this, freezeless hydrant. And the valve is 6 feet below the ground. And over the winter, it froze. And I should have put some styrofoam under the ground, you know, a couple feet under the ground around it so it wouldn't have froze. And I'm happy I got a backhoe now because I hand dug this well. I mean, not the well, I didn't hand dig the well, but I hand dug the pit around here to put this hydrant in. And it took me about 2 weeks at about 20 minutes a day. That's all my back would let me do. But now I got this thing, so I can't complain about my back anymore. I'm just gonna use this, scrape some dirt right out of here and get it set up to put styrofoam in there so I don't have a freezing problem again. So I have no idea how to operate a backhoe like this. I tested a little bit. I understand what each lever does. I think these two, one of these is backwards and should be something switched down here, but this is going to be clumsy, but I don't care. I'm not shoveling by hand. So of course, while I'm learning, I'm going to be right next to something very expensive, but oh well. But anyway, I'm gonna try to set you up in a way here where you can actually see what I'm doing, and get after it. About that, pretty cool. Yeah, I'm in love. I have a new mistress. What do you know? Okay, well, that's mostly dug down where I need to go. I need to go a little bit more, but I'm getting tired of breathing that gasoline exhaust that's running super rich, and it's giving me a headache. So I think I'm going to address that problem before I do any more of this hole. And I'm just gonna go park it for right now, see what else I got to do for the day. But anyway, hope this is as exciting for you as it was for me. It's been a long time in the making to get this machine, and I'm super happy I finally got it, because now I can actually do some work and foundations. Actually getting grades ready to put foundations in is going to be one of the first big things I got to do, and we're going to get after it. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, boy, I sure would appreciate it if you could hit that notification bell so you see when I upload the next video, and drop a comment, hit the like button. It all helps a little bit in the long run. So see you around.